So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have a very special guest with us today in the Hall of Fame interview. We have with us Kumar Nagendra. Kumar is a very renowned and a very famous coach, and he's into divine light healing. He has helped many people to heal themselves, and he's just amazing. So, but still, when we met Kumar, we were having an interaction, and he told about everything is fine. He's amazing, and everything is okay. But he was having some cough and cold issues and acidity issues from long time, for which he has tried many things, but he was not getting the complete reversal or complete cure of a problem. So then he joined our gold membership, and within 2-3 months, all the medicines were being tapered, and today he's 100% relieved from acidity and chronic cough and cold. So the two angel coaches which helped Kumar to achieve this milestone was Kajal Gala, who's a senior dietitian with Go Nature, and Akshata Nankani, who's a senior nutritionist with Go Nature. And then we have Kumar with us. So Kumar, over to you. How has been your journey, and what are your thoughts about naturopathy since you joined and you have completed your training? So what's your take on naturopathy now? Over to you.
Yeah, first of all, thank you so much and deep gratitude to you, Vishal, and to your team, Kajal and Akshata, for helping me, guiding me in to eat right kinds of food at the right time. Okay, so I'm myself a healer by profession, and I help many people to learn healing. But I too had some smaller, finer issues of acidity, which was not completely getting reversed or something like that. So Vishal is a very good friend of mine. So I told him about this, and he said, "Why don't you try the naturopathy?" So I said, "Okay, probably." I hadn't worked on eating the right food in the right way. So that's what I was looking at, and by the grace of God, at the right time I met Vishal Saini, and he guided me in a proper way, wherein how you can eat the right kind of foods, and based on elemental aspects like the earth, water, fire element, what your body suits. Okay, so those things literally blew my mind away, and when I followed what he prescribed, how to eat at the right time, what type of food, water food or fire element foods, all those things, when I started implementing it, my acidity was completely gone.
Wow.
Okay, so that was amazing thing. And also sometimes I used to have this cough and cold occurring like a pattern for some time, but uh, again the right kind of, like, we had some kashayas, some naturopathy, like how to do the grounding, how to walk on the barefoot, and so many other powerful methods which Vishal and his team guided me, helped me to come out of those things at an amazing speed. Okay, and I'm super happy. And the most important aspect I would like to highlight in Vishal's system is the system. Okay, the system that he has, the process that he has, the team that he has, it is very super efficient for anyone to get in and to follow it very easily and systematically. Okay, so thank you so much, Vishal, for what you have created, and to your teams also, kudos to each one of you. And I'm super lucky and super happy to know you and know you in my life, and for guiding me in all possible ways, and main especially to help me gain the knowledge and wisdom of eating right things at the right time. Okay, so I'm now super confident that I'm going to have an amazing health, and also I can guide my community members also to eat right food. Okay, I was guiding in a specific manner like meditation, healing, but when you combine this with naturopathy or eating the right food at the right time, I think
Amazing.
no one can stop you from having a vibrant health in your life.
Thank you.
So
Pleasure
thank you
is all
so
mine.
much, Vishal. Thank you so much, and
Yes.
happy to be part of this team.
So one question, like, usually,
Yeah.
when we talk about health packages, usually it's like, you'll be getting 6 appointments or 7 appointments or 8 appointments, something like that usually happens. It's happening in the market today. So in our system, it's like unlimited support, and you have 2 coaches with you. So how has been your support with your coaches, and, how easy they made things for you? So since I was like 100% absent from the system, I just was in the initial phase, but the later part, the entire processing and the operations was taken by Akshata and Kajal. So I'd like to know that, if you can just put a little highlight on that part, that how these coaches supported you and helped you out.
I mean, especially Kajal and Akshata, your team, they're marvelous. They exactly send the reminders in time. Okay, when can I have an appointment with you? They follow up systematically. If I'm not available again, they call or they message me next day and they tell me, okay, Kumar, how are you doing? And can we have an appointment? Can I discuss with you? And during the discussions also, they listen carefully, and they have that empathy towards listening to the concerns that what I go through, what we go through, and they guide me in a right and proper manner. Okay, so
Amazing. Yeah.
that is most important. And also, whatever concerns I have, they give a lot of options. Okay, you can try this, you can try that. Okay, if this is not working, you can try this. Okay, and again, they follow up with message. Okay, Kumar, did you try this? How are you feeling? Okay, so all those things, it feels like, okay, I have someone to care for me. I have someone who is guiding me, who is there with me, to know, okay, am I progressing or not progressing, what can be added or something. So that's a beautiful
Amazing.
team that has really helped me a lot. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So I'll come to the angel coach, Kajal Gaja. She's from Mumbai. She's a senior dietitian. So over to you, Kajal. What you observed in Kumar's case, and how obedient he was. Like you come across different kinds of people and different kinds of case studies. So how has been your experience with Kumar Nagin? So let me unmute. Yeah.
First of all, thank you so much, Kumarji, for such a kind words. Overall, as he's a coach, he's a healer. Obviously, by nature, he's very kind. He's very, observative also. The reasons also which we say or the things which we tell him to do can be therapies, can be the diet. He understands each and every prospect very minutely, and he will ask us and again if it is there, I can do something else which can be much more helpful for my body. So, in spite of such a busy schedule he has, there are very minor windows where he can adjust with the diet, with the therapy, the schedule. Then also he has done the wonderful job. Thanks to you, we are able to heal you better and help with your. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kajal.
Thank you so much, Kajal, for your kind words. I'll come to Akshata. Akshata, if you can please unmute yourself. So yeah, over to you, Akshata. How has been your journey with Kumar?
Thank you, Kumar ji, for your kind words. और आपका बहुत 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 धन्यवाद, आपने विशाल सर का और हम पर भरोसा करके हमारे साथ ज्वाइन किया. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Kajal. Thank you. So this is the small world of naturopathy, guys. So if you are looking forward to live a disease-free life, a happy, healthy life, naturopathy is the way. And so thankful to Kumar for coming and sharing his entire journey. Thank you so much, Kumar, and looking forward to see you same health, throughout in coming years, and you being an example for so many people, and you also now learning naturopathy is going to be something very awesome and amazing. So thank you so much for this wonderful time.
Thank you so much, Vishal. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.